Welcome back to another Tech Junkie video. Today we're going to be talking about my 2020 Dodge Charger Daytona 392. I bought this car about 6 months ago, and we're going to talk about the depreciation on buying a brand new car off the showroom floor versus buying a used one. Now, this was my second Charger, and back in 2011 I got a V6 Rally Charger. I did like it, but there's just something else about this Daytona that I just absolutely love. I've had Skat Pack Challengers. This is not technically a Skat Pack Charger. It does have the same motor, but it's the Daytona trim. There's no Bumblebee logos or anything like that on it. It just has a 392 badge on the side, Daytona stitching in the seats, the Daytona badge on the grill. I saw this car sitting on the showroom floor at the local Dodge dealer. MSRP on this car was $46,000 on the showroom floor. Now, if you add in your tax tags, titles, and title fees and stuff like that, it's going to push it even higher. I paid close to $45,000. As of right now, if you go on kellybluebook.com and check the appraisal value, it's between $40,000 and $41,000. Now, that's a $5,000 difference in value from last year to this year. In one model year, the value decreased by $5,000, give or take. Now, Kelley Blue Book value is not always going to be the most accurate when it comes to what a dealer will actually give you for the vehicle. My local Dodge dealer offered me $38,000. CarMax offered me $38,000. Kelley Blue Book trade-in appraisal was also valued at $40,000 to $41,000. If I sold this car myself, the private party value is $44,000. So if you're talking sheer depreciation and how much your car is devalued over a 1 year period from model year to model year, technically it only dropped about $1,000 if you wanted to go to the private party value route. Now, I can tell you from experience, it's not the easiest to sell a car like this on your own. Most people that will choose to buy one of these cars will buy it from a dealer before they buy it from a private party for that amount of money, in my experience. But if you were able to find someone who had to have that specific car, you could take a less depreciation hit. If you're looking to trade that car for another car, you're going to take a bigger depreciation hit. $44,000 to $45,000 down to about $38,000 is pretty standard depreciation. It's not ideal, $6,000 to $7,000, but that's just the route you go when you buy a brand new car, and if you decide you want to trade it inside the first year. Now, the depreciation will not drop like that every year. If I kept this car an additional 2 or 3 or 4 years, its depreciation will drop off considerably slower in model year 2, 3, and 4, as long as you keep the car in good condition with regular maintenance and you don't cause any damage to the vehicle. So I hope this is informative for you if you ever decided to buy a brand new car off the showroom floor, and if you wanted to find out what its value would be a year later. It's not ideal to trade a vehicle within the first year, but it's just a matter of preference. If you find something that you like more, are you willing to accept taking that big of a loss inside the first year? If you go to a car dealer and you know that you're going to be buying a car that's brand new, you need to go in understanding that you're going to take a depreciation hit as soon as you drop it off the lot. Push to start, just like my truck. Favorite features, I like the Alcantara. Like the Alcantara leather combo with the stitching. The Daytona stitched into the seats. 8.4-inch Uconnect. Also has Apple CarPlay, as I said in the truck video. The Apple CarPlay is a prerequisite for me. It's just nice, comfortable, fast. Now, the 392 Daytona is basically a Skat Pack. It does not have Skat Pack logos or badging or anything like that. No Skat Pack logos. It just has 392 logos. You got your performance pages, heated seat, vented seat, which is cooling basically, heated steering wheel, heated and vented seat on the passenger side. You got your media, climate control. If you have a phone plugged in, you got Apple CarPlay here. Like I said in a previous video, one of my prerequisites is Apple CarPlay. Got to have Apple CarPlay. Read my text messages while I'm driving. Let me control my music library, all that good stuff. If you did like this video, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell to make sure that you receive a notification for all the videos.